Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unpackaging the WeCool Nylon Braided Multifunction Fast Charging USB cable. On the front of the package, we can see the product itself through some clear plastic. On the left hand side, we can see its compatibility with laptops, smartphones, music players and tablets. Over here, we have a blurb just saying best, and at the bottom, we have some slogan showing the high quality original accessories. On the back, we have some more slogans like there is no best but better, and on the left, enjoy the best quality cable. Right here, we have a sticker which shows off the importing information, and it also has information for the customer support. At the bottom, we have the contents of the package, which basically just include the cable. And we can also see that it is black in color and it is 3 feet long. That's about it on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. Here we have the cable itself, and the nylon braiding is very evident. This should mean that the cable should be pretty strong. It has a USB Type A interface on one end, and the other end has a splitter that basically splits it 3 ways. One of the ends has a micro USB interface. Basically, this is for older smartphones. The other one has a Lightning interface for iOS and Apple devices. And the other one is a USB Type-C interface for modern Android smartphones and other accessories as well. We can see some WeCool branding right at the splitter. But there is no branding on the USB Type A end. Overall, the cable is 44 inches, which is slightly longer than what is mentioned on the packaging. But then they are probably including just the cable and not the splitter. So this has been the unpackaging of the WeCool Nylon Braided Multifunction Fast Charging USB cable. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.